Whether you are running a store online or even if you have a brick and mortar store where people can come in and purchase their items, either way, you have deductions that you can take off on your taxes every single year. And I want to make sure that you know which ones they are. Today, I'm going to give you 6 different categories of things you can deduct on your taxes. And within those 6 categories, there's going to be 19 to 20 different actual tax deductions that you can write off on your taxes this year. So let's go to the chalkboard. This is one that I talk about all the time, advertising. And in advertising, there are many things that you can write off, but some of the main write-offs that businesses tend to take off are business cards, websites, and your social media. And that could be your social media manager, your social media itself that you're paying for. All of that is tax deductible in the advertising section. Contract labor. Now, contract labor is something that you can decide whether your business is going to pay your employees by paying them on a W-2 or if you're just going to pay them as a 1099 consultant. Either way, you can write off the amount that you pay them for your clerks, your virtual assistants, your social media manager, those people that are providing a service for you. You can write that service off as a tax deduction. Next is the cost of goods sold. So when you are purchasing, like when you have a business where you are selling items, shoes, clothes, hats, whatever it is, you're purchasing those items. So when you buy those items, that is a tax deduction because you haven't actually sold them. They are something that you're purchasing to sell. And then the delivery of those items. So say you are doing the online business, then that when you deliver those items, you are using that as a tax deduction. The fee that you pay to deliver those things or have them delivered is a tax deduction. And the inventory that you have. So not necessarily the items that you're purchasing might not be the only inventory. You might have inventory of bags or boxes or labels or maybe you have that popcorn that goes inside of boxes or the wrapping paper or anything that you use to pack up and ship out and all of those things. That's inventory to that you've purchased to be able to send out your goods. I have a free, yes, I said a free tax deduction list plus a guide to guide you through and tell you every single deduction and exactly why and how you write it off on your taxes. Go ahead and download that today. Link is down below in the description box. You'll thank me later. Okay, and our fourth thing is equipment. And when we think about equipment, people don't always think about the cash register, your shelves in your store. And then when you have purchased equipment, the depreciation on that equipment, on that equipment, because as the years pass by, the equipment is not worth the same amount that you paid for it. So it depreciates over time. And that's what you can write off on your taxes as well. Now, let's not forget about those fees, those bank fees, credit card fees, loan fees, leasing fees, all those fees that you pay in order to get your money, access your money, or use your money. You can write that off on your taxes as well. Hey, have you had a chance to join the family yet? If not,
Go ahead and click the subscribe button and join the family today. And also turn on those notifications so that you can know exactly when we're going to post here on the Financial Spotlight channel. All those juicy financial tips and tricks for you. We'd love to have you.
And last but not least is insurance. Insurance is very important because you need to make sure that you are covered. It can be the loss of income insurance. So say you're no longer going to be able to make any money with your store, then this is an insurance that you do definitely need. Building insurance, so that in case there's a fire or anything like that. Liability insurance, so say somebody falls inside your store, and that is something that you are going to have to cover. Theft insurance, if somebody breaks into your store and steals everything, then you need to cover that as well to be able to get back on your feet and start your business up again. So these 6 categories are only a few of the tax deductions that you can take off on your taxes. Go ahead and download that free tax deduction guide. Again, the link is in the description box. It is free and you will be happy that you did, and you'll use it, and you can use it all throughout the year, any time of year, as long as the tax laws have not changed. So, and if it does, I will definitely update that document, and then I'll resend it to you if you download it, because I have your email address, and I'll send it to you, and I'll send you an updated version. So go ahead and download it today. You will not lose by doing that. It's a win-win situation. Thanks for joining me. Have a great one. Bye.